So this review is kind of exciting for me because this is one of the companies that I actually reached out to. They didn't reach out to me, and to my surprise, they actually got back to me. Reached out to NiftyCity because they make an integrated Android Auto Apple CarPlay for the Z that works with the stock screen and everything like that. Well, they agreed to send me that, and they also agreed to send me this Nifty box that works in my truck. Now this is a simple plug and play device, okay? You just plug this into the USB. Now if you have a 2016 or a year around that Silverado or any Chevy that has Apple CarPlay, you are limited to Apple CarPlay. There's no Android Auto. Now I did a review not that long ago of a product that was sort of like this, but now that I've used it for like a month now, when I drove to get these bedsides, it just like, as I drove, it got slower. And it was to the point where like my map was 10 seconds behind where I actually was. When I would hit a button to skip tracks, I'd have to wait like 10 seconds until it would skip a track, and like half the time I couldn't even tell what was going on. That and the display is just kind of like too bright, and there's no adjustment for it. So they said that this doesn't have any of those problems. Now this has an SD card slot, and I did put a 64 gigabyte SD card in it. It also has a SIM card slot, so you can have internet in your vehicle. Now I don't have a SIM card to put in this. I'm not doing that, but it should work off the internet off my phone. Now when you get one of their devices, there's a QR code on the packaging. You go to that and it brings you up a PDF file how to install it. This one is a no-brainer. There's 2 USB cables in here, and you use whichever one's applicable for your car. And let's go down to my truck and put this in. I'll show you guys how easy this is. Alright, so installation level on this is like a 1, okay? This is your box, and then underneath it, there's going to be 2 USB cables. One is USB Type-C to C, one is regular USB to C, and that's the one that we're going to use for this. So first thing you're going to do, if you're like me, and you have one of these things in here, first you're going to grab your USB cable. You're going to take this thing, hold on. Okay. Then you're going to take the Nifty box, put the USB Type-C end in one end, and then the other end is going to plug in to your USB port on your truck. And as you can see, it lights up. So it started flashing blue. Comes up, do you want to switch device? We're going to switch. Look at that. Now the flashing you're seeing on the screen is just the frame rate or whatever. Agree and accept. Check that out. And this is like the newest version of Android Auto. That's pretty cool. I like that. So here's Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Netflix, YouTube. Let me connect this thing to my phone. Alright, so I'm waiting for it to find, there it is, Zeus 9924. Let's connect, pair, active. Now I should be able to hit Android Auto. And it should connect now. There we go. Continue. And let's not show my... Alright, so first thing to note, I noticed the screen looks way better with this one. It doesn't look like it's overly bright. The resolution is sharper. So, and let me go back. Let's just exit out. It seems way more responsive. There's a speedometer on here. I need to set that up for mile per hour. But yeah, let me go through some of the settings on this and then I'll show you some of the features. So here's something I like. It has an equalizer built in and it actually works. Bass boost, loudness, and it has presets and you can set them yourself. Also works with your regular button. So I hit the back button and it goes back. Pretty responsive from what I'm seeing. This screen shows how much RAM, ROM, your CPU and the GPS, how much, you know, everything's working. Alright, so if you go into the system settings, this is where you're going to set like all your stuff you need to. Let me go back. Auxiliary settings, this is where you set your time zone and your set it to mile per hour and all that stuff. If you want to turn off your driving warning, which will prevent you from using certain things on here, you go into your settings and turn it off. Okay, so we are hooked up to the hotspot on my phone now. This was horrible on that other device, and I could not get anything to come up YouTube-wise. Let's look up that Unwrecked channel and see how it comes up on here. And this guy just has so many videos, and I don't know why nobody watches them. I just don't understand. It's a good channel. Man, that's some good content. So yeah, the Wi-Fi hotspot works pretty good on it anyways. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, there's going to be a link in the description. And get yourself a little Nifty box for your Chevy. And I haven't looked, but I'm sure they make them for other makes too. Now, I'm really excited for the Nifty box that's coming for the Z. It's not just a simple plug and play. It is a plug and play. It's completely plug in, but you have to take the dash out and take the stereo out, and then you have to piggyback all the harnesses, and it's all plug and play. You just plug in, but then it integrates Android Auto right into the stock screen, just like this is doing. So if you'd like to get your hands on a Nifty box, go to the link down in the description below and go get yourself one. And if you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom's Nifty box is outdated. And we'll see you on the next episode of Unwrecked. Can't be glittering out here. I guess I got throw this in the trash. How excited are you to meet your brother? You look like you're stoned. Were you smoking? Huh? What about you? You excited? No? No? Bye-bye.